Join me as I test out the Artilume T1-P laser engraver on numerous types of materials. This Artilume laser engraver comes packaged so well you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in shipping. It is enclosed in a case, so we will get this opened here, and it comes with everything that you need to get started. So now we move this counterclockwise and we'll get it open. So now these two pieces can become the stand if you're doing something higher. So now I tightened this screw. You push down and tighten it, and now we're set to get it going with our laser. I have added my laser, and you just tighten this screw. And now I'm going to take this piece and add it right here. This was very easy to put together. Now let's get it installed onto my laptop. So on this side, we have our power button, our interface connection, and our power cord. I have the free Laser GRBL software installed. Now to get it connected to the machine. And here goes my first attempt. It was so easy to set up right out of the box. And here we go. My first project just stopped and it looks amazing. So as you can see, my design matches the image perfectly. Well, I must say that this turned out really well for being my first attempt at laser engraving with this machine. I am very pleased. I decided to engrave on a couple more things here. So I have a leather key ring, a leatherette hat patch, and a small metal wallet tool. So let me get started on these. This is a powerful laser, and you can see it's doing a really great job here. Well, the hat patch was a huge success. I just need to get better at centering, but this looks amazing. I have the metal tool in here, so let's give this a try. So I want to show you how easy it is to stow this machine. I got it back into its carrying case here, and I've got my laptop in there, and here I have got my laser and the glasses, and in this pocket I have the tools and the cords. So that makes this unit so portable and easy to use. I have my laser engraved wallet tool here, my key ring, and the wallet that is a Carhartt wallet, and I put the patch on. You can see that it goes on really well. I'll have a link below for these patches too. Everything engraved so well, so my gift is ready for giving. Please let me know what you think of this little laser engraver. I think it is just amazing. For the 2026 World Cup, Artilume has some huge discounts going on. I'll have a link below for this. And you can see here is the machine that I use, the T1. And if you scroll down, there is a chance for you to enter to win some great prizes. You will also see below my coupon code that if you use that, you can get some money off as well. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.